Look up at the night sky, into the quiet, dark expanse of deep space. For decades, humanity has been asking one profound question: are we truly alone in this massive universe? Scientists have spent years scanning the cosmos with giant radio telescopes, listening for even the faintest whisper of an alien civilization. Most of the time, they hear nothing but cosmic static. But on one quiet night in 1977, the silence was shattered by a message that would shock the scientific world forever. A message that remains the most terrifying and compelling piece of evidence for extraterrestrial life. It happened on August 15, 1977, at the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio. The telescope was scanning a region of space in the constellation Sagittarius. Suddenly, the computers picked up a radio signal so powerful, so intense, and so perfectly tuned that it immediately stood out from the background noise of the cosmos. A few days later, an astronomer named Jerry Ehman was reviewing the computer printouts of the data. As his eyes scanned the numbers and letters, he froze. There, on the paper, was a sequence of characters that shouldn't exist naturally. 6, E, Q, U, J, 5. This sequence represented an explosion of radio energy that lasted for exactly 72 seconds. It was so perfectly artificial and so shockingly intense that Jerry Ehman took a red pen, circled the sequence, and wrote one single word in the margin: wow. To this day, it is known as the wow signal. But what makes this 72-second message so unsettling isn't just its intensity, it's the terrifying mystery behind its origin. First, the signal was broadcast at a frequency of 1,420 megahertz. In astronomy, this is known as the hydrogen line. Hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Scientists have long theorized that if an advanced alien civilization wanted to send a message across the galaxy, they would use this exact frequency, because any intelligent species would be looking for it. The wow signal was a direct match. Second, the signal was incredibly focused. It didn't spread out like natural cosmic radio waves. It was aimed, like a laser beam, directly at Earth. But here is where science turns into a cosmic nightmare. Astronomers immediately pointed the telescope back at the exact coordinates, desperate to hear the signal again. They found absolutely nothing. For weeks, months, and decades, scientists around the world scanned that same patch of space, but the cosmos remained completely silent. The signal appeared once, screamed across 300 million light-years of space, and then vanished forever. For years, skeptics tried to find a natural explanation. Was it a passing comet? Was it a reflection from a military satellite? One by one, every single natural theory was tested, and every single one failed. The math just didn't work. To this day, the wow signal remains officially unexplained. So, what actually happened on that August night? One chilling theory suggests that we didn't just catch a random signal, we caught a beacon. A Type 2 or Type 3 advanced alien civilization scanning the galaxy, sending out a high-powered message to see if anyone was out there. Our telescope happened to be looking in the exact right place at the exact right millisecond as their cosmic beam swept past planet Earth. If that theory is correct, it means the message wasn't just a random whisper. It was a loud, intentional shout into the dark. But because it has never repeated, it leaves us with an unsettling realization. Whoever sent that message might have moved on, or worse, they might no longer be there. The wow signal remains a haunting reminder of what is waiting for us out in the dark. A single, brief echo from the depths of space, proving that the universe might not be as empty as it seems. and that somewhere, out among the stars, someone was once screaming into the abyss.